That door looks terrible. Absolutely terrible. So Red, what we're gonna do about that door? I think you need some kind of door panel on this rat rod. Hey guys, we made some really cool door panels for the rat rod. Hey, it's gotta be great. You don't wanna miss it, you just don't. So we got the engine and transmission tested. Everything's working fine there. So yeah, we're doing fuel pump, little minor things, and getting back on the body to finish it up. We got the windshield frame built, sent to the glass shop so they can put some glass in it. So yeah, Red, I need some kind of door panel on there. I don't know what I'm gonna do it with, but I gotta do it with something. We gotta have something there. It looks terrible. I got some really thin aluminum sheet, and it's too thin for a door panel. It's really thin, but I'm thinking if I double it up, it'll work. So I've done a test piece where I doubled it up, and it's really strong. You see, I put two pieces back to back, and I just folded around the edge. So that's doubled up. And I rolled me some diamond beads in it with the bead roller to make some cool design. That's just a test piece. I wanted to make sure that's gonna work. So yeah, I'll make a door panel or something like that. So I got on eBay and got me a tipping die, which comes with this tipping die and a little roller skate wheel. And that's what I rolled the beads in the test piece with. Now this tipping die had a really square edge on it. So I chucked it up in my lathe and took a file and spun it in my lathe and took a file and sandpaper rounded that edge off right there because it was really just square. It didn't look good until I rounded it off. So yeah, tipping die for your cheap bead roller. So I'm getting started with the door panel. I mean, you see it the same. I got it folded over around the edges. And I'm starting to draw some designs in it. You know, some diamonds and whatever. But that's what I got started with right there. So we here now, we're gonna go from here and build a door panel. So we had some trouble with manual fuel pump. I don't even want to talk about it, but we decided to go electric. And Don is in the process now of getting that done. He got the Holley Sniper fuel pump mounted right there. We plumbing it up right now. Fuel filter. By the way, if you get one of those fuel filters that says Holley, you're gonna pay a whole lot of money for it. I mean, a lot. I got this one, which looks the same, works the same, got a stainless steel screen filter that you can take out and clean. $15 on eBay right there. Yeah. Yeah, Don's in the process of getting all that plumbed up, so we'll have electric fuel pump. Yeah, Don's plumbing up the fuel system. The good thing is he made that hose too long, so he's just gonna take some advice from my buddy down in South Africa, Rat Rods for Africa, Diff. This is for you. He's gonna do it twice to make it nice. The good news is the hose is too long, you gotta make it shorter. If it was too short, then that'd be a problem.
We'd have to get the hose stretcher.
Yeah. Fix it, Don.
Yep.
So we tested out Don's fuel system. We got the electric fuel pump hooked up right here. Got fuel, ignition.
No leaky leaky.
And no fuel leaks.
No leaky leaky.
Hey, I think this might work. There you have it, rat rod door panel. Of course, I ain't got it mounted, I just got it sticking up there, so gotta get it mounted. What do you think, Red? Yep, that works for me, Bob. Looking good. Yeah, it's gonna be great. I think I'm gonna spray some black over it, flat black suede, and kind of rub some of it off, let some of this aluminum come through, we're gonna see. Yeah, this looks too good for a rat rod. I gotta spray some black on it. Yeah, hey, but wait, there's more. We got 2 door panels. Got to mount them, but we got 2. I'm digging it, Bob. That's a wrap.